All right, y'all. We're going to do this. We're going to resolve this or scramble it up the way, whatever you want to do. And we're going to do this again. This time, I'm not really going to talk because last time I talked, I screwed it up. Here we go. And let's do this. A little bit slow, but it's okay because this is how I do it. This is how I do it. Guy. And the last one is this blue guy. Do that. Bada bing. Okay, this is actually my favorite part. Blue, orange. Okay, what else we got? Green and red. That one's good. Blue. Last one, where are you? There you are. That one's good. Okay, green, that's perfect. Second layer, I'm solving this right now. Blue and orange right there. I just wish my hands were just a little faster, you know? Okay, let's get this green cube out. Okay, second layer, done. Okay, now get this crossed. Wow, a lot of pressure. Got a lot of pressure. Okay, well, I fucked that up. So the good thing is it's okay to fuck up a little bit because it's part of life. Okay, we're good. Let's just fix this piece up real quick. I just can't go too fast and I can't talk. Okay. Okay, layers are good again. Okay. Cross is good. All right. Good. Looks good to me. Boom, headshot. Let's go.